Doctor, you mentioned radioactivity? Yes, I did. What is radioactivity? It is the spontaneous decay or disintegration of an unstable atomic nucleus accompanied by the emission of radiation. Doctor, what is meant by a radioassay? A radioassay is a quantitative analysis of what, doctor? Of substances using radionuclide tracer techniques to detect minute quantities not easily measured by other means. Doctor, is that a competitive protein binding? Yes, the so-called CPB, which is a method that is frequently employed. And what is, doctor, a radioautograph? A radioautograph, or autoradiography, is the record of radiation from radioactive material in an object, made by placing its surface in close proximity to a photographic emulsion. Doctor, this technique differs, does it, from the cell function that is discernible? I don't understand your question. What is radiobiology, doctor? It is a branch of biology dealing with the effects of radiation on biologic systems. And radioimmunoassay? I have that in my hospital record, if you note it. Yes, I saw it. That is why I am asking the question, doctor. A radioassay of antigenic substances, usually protein-containing molecules, such as the adrenocorticotropic hormone, or ACTH, also glucagon, insulin, and the growth hormone HGH. Doctor, what is a radioisotope? Radioisotopes are chemical elements that have been made radioactive by bombardment with neutrons in an atomic pile or cyclotron. Do they occur, doctor, in nature? Well, by giving off radiation, they provide a valuable means for diagnosis and treatment. Radioisotopes differ from their non-radioactive partners by their atomic weight. Doctor, for example, potassium is the stable isotope, which has an atomic weight of 39. Is there such a thing as a radiopotassium? Yes. The radiopotassium is the unstable isotope, which has an atomic weight of 42. And radionuclides are radioactive, are they? Well, the comprehensive terms, including isobars, isomers, isotones, and isotopes, exist for a measurable length of time and differ by atomic weight, atomic number, and energy state. Doctor, the term radioisotope has become obsolete, has it not? Well, it is a radionuclide. That is the accepted term. What are isobars? Isobars are atoms that have the same mass number but have different atomic numbers and neutron numbers. What are isomers? Isomers are atoms that have the same atomic numbers and the mass numbers but differ in nuclear energy states. And what are isotones? Isotones are atoms which have the same number of neutrons in the nucleus but differ in atomic numbers and number of mass particles. Finally, doctor, what are isotopes? Isotopes are atoms that have the same atomic numbers, different numbers of mass particles, and therefore differ in number of nuclear neutrons. Doctor, what is a radionuclide imaging device? Currently, there are three kinds of instruments which are in common use: the Anger camera, scintillation camera, and the gamma camera. Are those instruments for presenting images of the distribution of radioactivity? Well, in any organ or part of the body, yes. Its greatest assets are speed and sensitivity, which are of particular significance in dynamic function studies. Doctor, what is an autofluoroscope? That is a digital autofluoroscope, or a device for producing pictures of the distribution of gamma-emitting radionuclides within organs. It is capable of concentrating on areas of special importance, which increases the value of dynamic function studies. And what is rectilinear scanner? That is the conventional scanner and a moving detector of radioactivity in selected areas of the body, which is useful for static studies.
Rectilinear?
Recti, R-E-C-T-I. So it's a combining form.
Or autofluoroscope?
Yeah, A-U-T-O. It's that one word in fluoroscope. F-L-U-O-R-O.